here. And that's why I have that, I guess, and that's what is the benefit about it. I just in the right place at the right time.
他觉得很开心，感觉非常好。那就是他每天出来的最大目标就是希望在积分板上放上一个零。那特别是今天的守备也非常帮忙，让他比赛可以一切非常顺利。那他就非常开心，也非常感激。那球队也感谢球队说给他这个机会。那他也很开心，说每次出来都有一些就是这样的机会可以去完成他。
开始他来球队先定位在前场，后来转到后面，然后表现越来越好。请他谈一下就是这样的身份转换。
In the beginning of the season, you were started for a little bit for a little while. Then after that, the team switched you over to the bullpen. But since you got in the bullpen, every outing of you, getting better and better. So can you talk about how do you feel about this transition?
I mean, I've done both before, so the transition is not really new. It's just really been focusing on feeling good and trying to feel the same every time and just attack the strike zone. Not worrying about what happens with the results, just trying to execute what I want to do, and that's really helped me out a lot. I've had a lot of great defense behind me, and so that helps out a lot too. And I'm always grateful for my defense picking me up.